Leaving children in a car. There is no federal law governing how old a child must be to be left unattended in a vehicle, nor under what circumstances it is permitted. Drivers must know that leaving an unsupervised child in a car is dangerous and as a result, has been made illegal in many states. In some states, it is illegal to leave a child in a vehicle for any amount of time, whereas in others, maximum time limits of 5 or 10 minutes apply. The age at which a child may be left unattended in a car varies greatly around the United States. Most laws refer to children under 6 years old. You must refer to child passenger laws in your state's own driving handbook and the DMV website for locally specific information on this matter. Any person responsible for a child who is found to be in violation of a law governing unattended children in vehicles will be punished with a fine. If the child is placed in any danger or injured as a result of your actions, you may be tried as a criminal. Here are some examples of unsupervised children in vehicles laws around the United States. California. Children under 6 may not be left unattended in a vehicle for any amount of time, unless supervised by another person of at least 12 years old. Illinois. Children under 5 may not be left unattended in a vehicle for more than 10 minutes, unless supervised by another person of at least 14 years old. Maryland. Children under 8 may not be left unattended in a locked car for any amount of time, unless supervised by another person of at least 13 years old. Texas. Children under 6 may not be left unattended in a vehicle for more than 5 minutes. No provision for supervision by older children. Several other states including Missouri, Michigan and Kentucky do not have laws specifically prohibiting leaving children in vehicles. However, it is not permitted if it endangers the child in any way. For instance, if conditions present a significant risk to the child's safety, the vehicle's engine is running, or you have left the keys in the ignition, the vehicle is positioned precariously or parked in a dangerous area. Remember to check your state's unattended child laws and never, under any circumstances, leave a child in a vehicle if doing so puts them at risk.